Hello guys, I'm just gonna share with you how to replace battery on a HP Pavilion laptop. It's the one which converts into a tablet, and the model is 360X, and the battery model number is PP03XL. Um, there are 4 screws. 1, 2, right here, 3, 4. These are the main screws, and there's a tiny one up front. It's just to hold this. So this is what I use. The butter knife. I start on one edge and pry it out. Put my nails in it. Not just one nail, more than one nail. And then pry it out while I'm pulling it. At the same time, I pull it and I had pried it off this side before, so it should come out. All in one piece. That's a winner. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws are holding this battery up. So what the drivers they gave me is okay, but I'm gonna use mine. It's a Phillips, tiny Phillips, but it has a better handle on it. So what I usually do, I put it on the same side where I came out from, but if they are different in length, I'll keep that marked. I have a marker here, so if they are different length, then you need to keep an eye on it, which are non-standard. Then, but if you put them around the corners where they are, and nobody bothers you while you're working, it's all good. So this doesn't want to come out, so I'm going to use my magnetic tip. The battery should lift right up. There's a little bit detent here, what you usually do without touching any of the circuit board or chips. You lift it up in the front, and these are the detents here. So this is the old one. I should mark it because this did not work. That battery's done. The laptop was shut off for a long time, so when we booted up, it did not pick up the charge. So here you go. I'm gonna place it in the detents here in the back and lay down on it. That's pretty much what it takes. Don't put too much pressure on it, because then you compromising the rigidity of the circuit main board. So you go back in the pattern the way you took it out. It's better that way. But since these are all 4 screws, there's no torquing pattern or anything. So what I usually do, I snug them in first, all of them, and then I go final run to further tighten each properly. But you're supposed to keep them on a finger tight and don't go with the full force of a hand like this. Keep it with the fingers. That is your maximum strength you should apply on these things. never apply full force. Well, looks like we have done half of the work so far. The date. What is a good idea to mark the date on the product when you changed it? This way, you know, when someone opens up, they know when this was replaced. There we go. All set. Even pressure. This is just the sticky tape on it. There's a protective layer on it. Don't worry about it. So what you want to do, you want to go in the back. It is a little bit of magnet here, right here. These two magnets, they hold it down. For some reason they have used the magnets here. This is in. So remember, if you are pushing too much, that means there's something holding it. So you don't want to apply too much pressure. And then if you can't go in and recheck it, what's going on with it. You shouldn't have to apply your full force on it. What I'm saying. And it should be all flush. If you double check it, make sure, and then you can put the screws back in. If you want, you can put a little bit extra glue at the edges, but there's enough strength in this glue that I don't feel like there is need for it. It's enough sticky on it. See, that's a magnet. How, see that? Yeah, how quickly it gets pulled up in that direction. Do not use the drill machine on these, because you're gonna strip the screw head, and then you'll be taking a lot more time to recover it, or someone else would have to put up with it. When I worked at the Mercedes dealer, everyone loved to work on those cars which I worked on. The reason was because everything was done as if I had to do it again sometime. So here we go. We have a winner with a good anticipation. So if you can't get it started, if there is an issue, then what you need to do, turn backward a little bit and then start spinning. It sits into its seat to start. And like I said, keep it on the fingers. Don't apply full force of the hand. And this is the final product here. All right, let's give it a shot. The first time it boots up, if the battery was out, it takes a little bit longer because it's doing the checksum in the BIOS and all. It's coming up with the checksum saying that the CMOS battery was reset and all that. And you basically have to set the date, but if you don't, it will do it. It will pick it up from the Windows. All right, restart my PC. There you go, welcome screen. Ready to go. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate subscribing. God bless you all.